This new Instagram monetization feature might have saved Instagram from dying. Now, we all know that the Reels Play bonus monetization feature has been in USA, it has been started in USA, but recently people in India, creators in India have started getting this feature, and I feel like very lucky to be one of them to get like literally in the past 10 days. I just got it 10 days ago, and this monetization feature is going to roll out to each and every creator who is going to post reels on Instagram. So basically, if you don't know what is the Reels bonus feature, it is basically Instagram is going to pay you for the amount of views which you are getting on your Instagram Reels. Now, it is very different than the YouTube Shorts fund which you can see on YouTube over here. Basically, what is going to happen, Instagram is going to give you a challenge sort of a thing. You will have 30 days, and in those 30 days, Instagram will give you a challenge to get these many views. For example, for me, it was if you get 35 million views or 32 million views in these 30 days, we will give you $1,000, and the amount will be credited into my bank account after 30 days, and it can be via PayPal or bank transfer, which I feel like for 35 million views, $1,000 is less. But anywho, this was very interesting because something is better than nothing, right? And you might also get this feature, and you will get it on a 30 day basis. Now, every 30 days you might get a different challenge, and every 30 days the bonus challenge will reset, meaning after 30 days I might have a different target of views to reach so that I can earn that much money. For my account, as of now, I have 32 million views for $1,000. I have seen people who have had the challenge of getting 50 million views for $5,000 or something like that, which is insane, but that's so cool. You must reside in a country where this feature is available. Currently, the feature is available only in India and USA. So if you're not in this country, you might not get it. Any reels with hate speech, violence, bullying, harassment, none of these will count under the monetization. They won't get monetized. Oh, and in 1 month during the 30 days which Instagram has given you to get these many views, you can monetize only 150 of your reels. Your older reels, you cannot monetize your older reels. You can only monetize the reels which you can upload from the day you get the challenge up till the next 30 days. So you have 30 days in which you can upload 150 reels which you can monetize. You cannot monetize your older reels. If you post false information or something like that, you might lose your credibility to monetize the reel, and the reels which are, paid partnership, you cannot monetize those reels. The minimum payout is similar to YouTube, which is $100. Currently, I'm at $37, which is interesting. I really want to cross the $100 mark. That's why I'm just keeping on posting to see what happens if I'm able to cross the $100 mark or not. And the maximum bonus which I can earn as of now is $1,000, which I already mentioned. Now, if you feel like, oh, you can be smart and trick Instagram by buying views and then, get the monetization, get all the dollars in the world. No, you cannot do that. They have strictly mentioned that they won't be monetizing your account if they feel like you're buying views or something like that. So this is the Instagram Reels Play monetization bonus feature which has just rolled out in India. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. I think it is very interesting. I feel like something is better than nothing. It will definitely motivate people to post more content, and I am so excited to see what Instagram does next. I also feel like the pay is very less. However, being said that, it is a really good feature, and I feel like people might take Instagram seriously now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.